So a lot of the time people think writing songs is easy and stuff like that. But you know, studio become my hit songs and things like that. So, you know, this is where, you know, Pro Air comes into the play, you know, it comes into the picture. You need aircon, you know, just to cool your system, you know. Because trying to create these songs is a bit hard, you know. You'll be like Munyi kamune Marua akawanda Uri rubarangu. And you're busy trying to create and stuff like that, but you know what I mean? So, you know, aircon is quite necessary. And, you know, I'm one firm believer and one confident, one adamant man in Pro Air and their products, you know. The installers of Rowa, Samsung, LG aircons. And, you know, ever since I put that in my studio, I've never had a problem, you know. Because, you know, talking about my hit songs, what is here? So yeah, it's really dope, it's really good. And just to top it off, a lot of people think that just because, you know, us musicians, we talk about products, think it's a badaro, and we got paid just to say good things about the products. But no, this is actually a testimony. Pro Air came, they set up a fantabulous, yes, I'm using the word fantabulous, a fantabulous aircon system up in the studio. So, you know, hit songs are easier to write now because, you know, if it gets really hot, we use the aircon to cool us down. If it gets really cold, we use the aircon to warm us up and everything like that. So yeah, big up Pro Air, yeah, for supporting Sani Makalima, for being a proud partner of the Ark, for being, you know, a proud, what should I say, installer of aircons in the house of Air at the studio. So yeah, you know, do what I did, make the weather behave 365 and a quarter days of the year. Because if you don't, so yeah, Pro Air, big up Sani Makalima signing out. Yeah. Rusinga peri Jichakupa rudo Rusina magumo
Yo, this your boy Stunner. Number one in the country and number one in your heart. And I'm here to tell you that Pro Air's got it going on. So we wanna cool down a little. Pro Air, it's getting hot in here. Pro Air, feel like raising the temperature. Pro Air, let the weather behave. Pro Air, so we wanna cool down a little. Pro Air, it's getting hot in here. Pro Air, feel like raising the temperature. Pro Air, let the weather behave. Yeah. Pro Air, I'm on 12 degrees, panze 82. Air conditioning yakadzia, you can get it too. Pro Air, that's what I choose. They know about the weather, kunge after news. In your house, office mumota. Perfect weather, hauzi kurota. Unit so silent, anti-stebe maweka. Pro Air mabosi, hanzi kujoka. Rega dimboseka, kanosina Pro Air, panebori kuleka. Heating and cooling, kukontrola switches. Whether you need a bond, rikutaura pafeas. Cool down a little. Pro Air, it's getting hot in here. Pro Air, feel like raising the temperature. Pro Air, let the weather behave. Pro Air, so you wanna cool down a little. Pro Air, it's getting hot in here. Pro Air, feel like raising the temperature. Pro Air, let the weather behave. Pro Air, Pro Air, we make the weather behave. Yo, one more again, this is your boy Stunner. We got your heating and cooling solutions, summer and winter, 365 and a quarter days. Pro Air. And yo, for installation, repairs, sales and services, hit us up on 0779 840 840.